Hey, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. We have our volunteer here. I would like him to share the importance of taking part in this generosity. And he come all over from Dubai without fail. Every single year, come. This is my cousin.
I'm Hairul Anwar. I'm actually back just for holidays in the blessed month of Ramadan. Anyway, I think it's important that we contribute back to the community. It's solely because we are what we are because of the community. Right? If it's not us who give back, who else? Because the success of a community is not individual but everyone.
It's a team effort. In Malay, we call it gotong royong. And this is the time when Nabi SAW said, now have a taste. Like how the poor people went through every single day. You want to be showing grateful and syukur to Allah.
At home, the children doesn't know how grateful they are with whatever they have. Actually, it's an eye-opener for them now.
InsyaAllah. So thank you so much to everyone. If anyone want to contribute, volunteer or even sponsor, you can contact us. Jalan-Jalan Junkie, Ustaz Faisal. And please check out our brother here, Urban Desert. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.
Thank you very nice.